Okay, sweet family, how are you today? Now, today we are going to make some turmeric milk, which we call golden milk, and that was 2 cups of coconut milk I just placed in my pot, and this is my mixture of turmeric, and it doesn't only have turmeric, it has turmeric, cinnamon, black pepper, garlic, ginger, and cayenne pepper. So this is my mixture that I keep all the time for when I need to get my turmeric milk. And then what I will do is just sweeten it with a little honey. And this is some mullein honey that I have here. So I'm just going to let that warm a little, and then I will be right back to put our turmeric inside. So this is good to use before bed, or if you're having a little pain or something, because the turmeric is good for inflammation. And this morning I was having a little pain in my back, so I don't really want that. So I decided I'm going to make myself some turmeric milk. So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons, of my turmeric inside my milk. And then I will give it a good stir till everything dissolves and that it is nice and golden. And then I'm going to sweeten it with my honey. So let me be right. Alright, I have my honey here, and I have my wooden spoon because I'm not going to use, and this honey is mixed with a little bit of water. I'm not going to use the regular spoon for the honey. So let me get my milk off the stove. So this is our milk, family. It looks awesome. Awesome. So I'm going to have 2 cups. 2 cups. I'm going to have one this morning and one before I'm ready to go to bed. Then I have some coconut oil here. I have some coconut oil. You can use some coconut oil or ghee to put in your milk, because what that does, just like the black pepper, it just helps everything to just works, because you need a little bit of fat in order for the turmeric to work the way that it should. So I put a teaspoon of fat in there, and I will be tasting this now. Let me taste it and see if it's sweet enough. I love turmeric milk. I just love turmeric milk. I think I love tea in general because it goes down so warm. That is great, family. So try this. Definitely try this for yourself, and you will see how good it tastes, especially when you put that little bit of fat in there. It is awesome. So this is our milk. It looks gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. And so in case you don't know me and you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Annie, and this is Sweet Annie's Naturals, or Sweet Annie's Kitchen. So you can subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tips like these, and more teas, and more whatever I do, whatever I decide to do. All right, so you have an awesome day and continue to spread the love and let your light shine. And bye for now.